Daniel, can I ask you something?
Of course. You sound serious. What happened?
I'm nervous about tomorrow.
The presentation?
Yeah, I really want to do well, but I keep thinking that I'm going to fail.
Hey, slow down. Why do you think that?
Because everyone else seems smarter than me. They speak confidently, they answer questions quickly, and they look so prepared.
Lisa, do you know something funny?
What?
Most confident people are secretly nervous too.
Really?
Absolutely. Some people just hide it better.
Well, I'm terrible at hiding it.
Yeah, your face looks like a confused potato when you panic.
Daniel,
What? It's true.
you are so annoying.
But you laughed.
Only a little.
Listen, you've worked hard for this presentation, right?
Yeah, I practiced many times.
And you understand the topic?
I think so.
Then why are you acting like you know nothing?
Because I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Easy for you to say.
No, seriously. Last month, I said public chicken instead of public speaking in front of my class.
Wait, what?
Yeah, and everyone laughed for 2 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Exactly. I wanted to disappear.
What did you do after that?
I laughed too, and continued speaking.
Weren't you embarrassed?
Of course I was, but life goes on.
I wish I had your confidence.
Confidence doesn't magically appear. You build it little by little.
How?
By trying, by failing, by learning, and by trying again.
That sounds difficult.
It is difficult, but it's worth it.
Sometimes I compare myself to other people too much.
That's dangerous.
Why?
Because you only see their success, not their struggles.
That's true.
Maybe someone is looking at you right now and thinking, "Wow, Lisa is so hardworking."
I never thought about that.
See? Your brain is bullying you again.
My brain is very dramatic.
Very dramatic.
But what if I forget my words tomorrow?
Then pause, breathe, and continue.
What if people judge me?
People are too busy worrying about themselves.
What if my voice shakes?
Then your voice shakes. That's okay.
What if?
Lisa,
What?
what if you actually do great?
Wow.
You always imagine the worst possible ending.
That's true.
Why not imagine success for once?
Because disappointment hurts.
And regret hurts too.
You sound like a motivational speaker today.
Thank you. My seminar starts tomorrow. Tickets are expensive.
How expensive?
One fried rice and an iced tea.
That's affordable.
Student discount.
You know, talking to you actually helps.
Good. Because I'm charging you emotionally.
Emotionally?
Yes, you must believe in yourself, at least a little.
I'll try.
No, say it properly.
What?
Say, I can do it.
Daniel.
Come on.
Fine, I can do it.
Again.
I can do it.
Louder.
I can do it.
See? That's the spirit.
People are staring at us now.
Good. Free audience practice for your presentation.
You know what? Maybe tomorrow won't be so bad.
Exactly. You prepared, you practiced, and you care about doing well.
Yeah.
That already means you're on the right track.
Thanks, Daniel.
Anytime.
And, hey,
Yeah?
if I accidentally say public chicken tomorrow,
Then I'll laugh first.
you are the worst best friend ever.
And yet, I'm still your best friend.
Unfortunately, yes.
The rhythm of the pen upon the page, breaking free from